place your indexer home sensor, first you will need to remove these two bolts to pull the sensor plate away from the assembly. Once those are removed, you can remove the entire plate with the sensor attached. Then remove these two bolts to remove the entire sensor. The sensor can also be removed from the cable with this clip here. On a production unit, there will be silicone over this connector to reduce the amount of water getting into the connection. While reinstalling, make sure that the two forks on the sensor straddle the sensor plate on the pulley. Also ensure that the sensor cable goes through the notch in the side post.